Hello everybody, this is itisuni.com tutorials about robotics. As you already know, before in the previous tutorial I showed you how to make lists, and now I will show you how to make for loops for correct execution of data from lists. First of all, I need to delete all excess lists from the previous tutorial, and then I would like to show you how to make a for loop and what it is. So for I in range from 0 to 7, column print I. Don't look at this line, it's for the future. Now we need only these ones. For I in range from 0 to 7, it will take numbers from 0 to 7 and will place them instead of I, and will execute this line 7 times with each number. Let's see. As you can see, it prints 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Of course, we can change this number, and as you can see, it will print 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Also, we can add here +2 and, for example, 0. And you will see it will add 2 instead of 1. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. And this is the main gist of loops, that it will repeat the same command again and again, while the range is not finished. The next thing I would like to show you is for I in man, print I. In this case we have a list man, and the program will take each item from the list man and it will put it instead of I, and then it will execute the lines inside of the loop. So it prints Alex, Alexei, Bob, Anthony, Tony, Andrei. And please notice, now they are strings without brackets and quotes as it was in the previous tutorial when we printed just a list. That is very comfortable because you can always add another name, for example Carl. And we still have the same command here, but it will print everything already with Carl. The next thing which I would like to show you how to use for loops is using it with length method. For I in range from 0 to len man, it's a very popular one. It will calculate the length of this list, how much items it contains, and it will put this number to this place. For example, if we now start the program, we will get 7 numbers here, because the length of the man list is 7, because we have 7 names inside the list. But we also can make a very cool thing. Print man with index I, and we already have here names. And then, for example, plus dash plus stri plus 1. And in this case, we already have a table. Alex is 1, Alexei is 2, Bob is 3, Anthony is 4, etc. For example, it would be cool to change this position and add another list with ages. For some reason I'm creating a tuple instead of a list, because you see the round brackets instead of square brackets, but it also works good in our case. Tuples are the same as lists, with only difference that they are immutable and take a little bit less memory than lists. Now this is a list with names, this is a tuple with ages, and here I need to add plus str ages I. And in this case we will see a good table with numbers of the item, with name and with age. Here is how you can do it. Very easy. As you understand, a for loop is a loop for repeating one command many times. Here you can write how much times. In our case, from 0 to length of the man list. How much items of this list we have. In our case, it is 7. So it will repeat this command 7 times. And will put I to these places. Thank you very much for watching, I hope you enjoyed this video. See you in the next tutorial because I'm going to make something interesting for you. Bye!